In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashed or dotted line chart in Power BI. We'll start by opening Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Give it a moment to load so everything on the ribbon is ready. Next, open your report file, the one where you want to add the dashed or dotted effect. If it's already pinned in your recent files, click it there. If not, browse to your .pbex and open it. Once your report is on screen, take a second to let all visuals finish rendering so you're working with a fully responsive canvas. Now click to select the chart you want to enhance. This can be a line chart, an area chart, or any visual where a reference or styled line will help tell the story. You'll know the visual is active when you see its bounding box, and the formatting options update in the pane on the right. Selecting the visual before inserting anything makes sure what you add lands in the right place on your report page. Head to the ribbon at the top and click Insert. This is where Power BI lets you add elements that sit on the report canvas like text boxes and shapes, which are perfect for annotations and emphasis. From there, choose Shapes. A gallery will open showing different geometric options. Select Line. The line shape is ideal for creating a dashed or dotted effect that overlays your chart without changing the underlying data. When the line appears on the canvas, drag it into the chart area and position it where you want the emphasis. You can stretch the ends to adjust length and use the rotation handle to set the angle. For a horizontal or vertical reference, align it with your axis labels so it corresponds to the value you want to highlight. If the line sits behind your chart, simply click it and adjust its position so it's visible on top. With the line selected, look to the formatting pane to refine the look. Here you can change color, thickness, and most importantly, the line style. Choose dashed or dotted to match the visual language you need. A slightly thicker dashed line often works well for targets, while a lighter dotted line is great for projections or guidance. If the line feels too strong, lower the transparency a touch so it enhances without overwhelming the data. Consider duplicating the line if you need multiple thresholds. Copy and paste keeps sizes consistent. Keep alignment tidy by using the canvas guides, and name your shape in the selection pane so it's easy to find later. When you're happy with placement and style, you're done. Your chart now has a clean dashed or dotted line that clearly calls out the values that matter.